Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan cheesecake. First, let's prepare the crust. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of crushed graham crackers and 1/4 cup of melted vegan butter. Mix these ingredients thoroughly until well combined. Then, press this mixture firmly into a 9-inch springform pan, ensuring it covers the bottom and slightly extends up the sides. Place the pan in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to allow the crust to set perfectly before adding the filling. Next, let's create that luscious vegan filling. In a large bowl, combine 2 blocks of softened vegan cream cheese with 1 cup of granulated sugar. Blend these until the mixture is completely smooth and free of lumps. Then, incorporate 1/2 cup of full-fat coconut milk, 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Finally, whisk in 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. This helps achieve that perfect, firm, and creamy cheesecake texture we all love. Now it's time to bake our delicious vegan cheesecake. Carefully pour the prepared creamy filling over your chilled crust in the springform pan. Ensure the top is smooth and even. Place it in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until the edges appear set but the center still has a slight jiggle. Once baked, let it cool completely at room temperature. Then refrigerate for at least 4 hours to firm up beautifully. Finally, the best part, serving your amazing vegan cheesecake. Once thoroughly chilled, carefully remove it from the springform pan. You can garnish it with your favorite fresh berries, a vibrant fruit compote, or even a drizzle of vegan chocolate sauce. For the cleanest slices, use a warm, sharp knife. This easy method ensures a delightful, plant-based dessert every time. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.